Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to talk about alphabets. Why should we learn about alphabets? Okay, so sometimes actually we need to use the alphabets to spell our name or spell some words to make them clear. Okay, and the problem is in Indonesia the alphabet is different with English. That is why we should learn about the alphabets. So let's check the alphabets. Okay, so here you can see the alphabets: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, so biasanya orang Indonesia akan terkecoh dengan huruf I dan I. Karena di Indonesia ini kita bacanya E, sedangkan yang ini dibacanya I. Okay, so remember, this one is actually I and this one is I in English. How about this one and this one? Okay, this one is J, this one is G. This one, Indonesian will say ha, but in English we say it H. This one is Q. Okay, we say it Q. This one is W. How about this one? In Indonesia we say it Y, but for English we say it Y. Okay, so it is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yeah, this one also. Sometimes people hard to say this alphabet. Okay, so this one is R, not R. Yeah. R is Indonesian. In English we say R. Okay, now let's learn some vocabularies through the alphabet. Okay, now it's your turn to find your own A to Z words. Good luck.